Hey guys, I forgot to record the intro, so I'm dropping a quick voiceover. For the next 4 months, I'll be staying at Stay For You in Shindong, which is an apartment facility partnered with Hanyang University. So when we first step into the doorway, we have our shoes, there's a mirror here, our kitchen is very small, there's like really no space. Our laundry things down here. A lot of what we need is provided for, so we didn't have to really buy too much ourselves. They even gave us a few pans to use and some plates. Everything was pretty well stocked. There was enough sets for everyone. There's 3 people living in this apartment. Yeah, but there's pretty much everything that's basic needs. We have a microwave. We have this little drying rack for our clothes after we do our laundry. We have a refrigerator. It's a little messy in there. We have our freezer at the bottom, but I can't really open that right now. Along the sides of the wall are some closets. But a lot of what I did was, since I didn't want to use too much of the space, I just slid it under my bed. So since it's a 3-person room, our 2 beds are downstairs, and then upstairs is one of our roommates. Each of us got a desk and a chair. Obviously there's some drawers inside for us to use. Along the sides of the wall there are these little drawers that we have. So although it looks like a pretty small place, we have a lot of storage room. Even the stairs are drawers as well. Oh, the bathroom. So the bathroom is personally my favorite part, since it's the weirdest part of Korea for me so far. So, as you can tell, the sink is inside the bathroom, well, inside the shower. So you have this glass door, and I don't know if you can see from here, but there's 3 settings on the knob. There's one for the overhead, the handle, and the actual sink. It was a bit confusing at first, but we had to make use of what we have. They actually provided us the body wash and shampoo as well, so we didn't really have to spend too much. The toilet itself is pretty weird as well. So it has all these fancy settings on it. But my favorite part is that it glows in the dark. Oops. Which is kind of weird, but I guess it's supposed to help you for if you're walking around at night. And the seat is randomly warm too. I do have a quick rant about the recycling system here. So back in the States, we pretty much just sort things into recyclable and trash, but here they have 6 or 7 different components. As you can imagine, it's very confusing. However, I don't know if they have it here, but some of their items actually say there's like a recycle symbol, and it tells you where to throw it, but the general is confusing since they pretty much just tell you that it's whatever's left over. So here you can see that from our window we have a pretty decent view. Because it's nighttime, you kind of just see the window reflection, but we have a pretty decent view of some buildings and cars and streets. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the house tour. See you guys next time.